So we've gotten a lot of questions about hormones. Could you give us a brief overview of how it will affect hormones, if at all?
Yeah, absolutely. So both products are adaptogenic, which means that they help balance stress hormones, especially in the long term. Stress hormones are the number one contributor to sex hormone dysregulation. So when we balance the stress hormones, most of the time sex hormones will also come into balance. Also, in terms of stress or sex hormones, phytoestrogens and phytoandrogens are actually preventative against developing estrogen receptor or androgen receptor positive cancers like breast, ovarian, prostate cancers, things like that, uterine cancer. So, and there's a huge amount of documented evidence on this in terms of phytoestrogens being protective against these types of cancers or against recurrence of these types of cancers. So no concerns there. It's going to benefit generally net sex hormone balance. And really, both formulations are intended to balance the entire hormonal axis via the nervous system. It's a branch of medicine called psychoneuroendocrinology, where you can get hormones back into balance by balancing the nervous system because hormone secretion depends on brain input. That's where it starts, all of these axes. Um, Nothing is going to antidote hormone replacement therapy. Like if somebody is on exogenous hormones for something like birth control or perimenopausal symptoms, it's totally compatible and safe to use both at the same time. And in fact, again, with Calm and Uplifted in particular, we have one constituent that has phytoestrogens, and phytoestrogens on their own can be incredibly helpful for all sorts of gynecologic conditions, including perimenopausal symptoms. So if anything, it's likely just going to augment the hormone replacement therapy and potentially could even reduce the need for the hormone replacement therapy by using the phytoestrogens that are contained, again, specifically in Calm and Uplifted.